Today's video I have the November latest in beauty box. I also have the October beauty box as well that I forgot to unbox last month. So let's have a dig through to see exactly what I've chose. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video I have this is my latest in beauty box and this is my November box. I also have my October box which I totally forgot to unbox last month, so I'll do that at the end if you're interested. Yeah, so let's open it up and see what I chose this month. The latest in beauty boxes, they are a box with a difference. So you go on there and you choose 6 products every month on their website. It's £14.95 per month and it's £3.95 postage, I think. After you've ordered for 3 months consecutively, the 4th month onwards, you'll get free postage, which is fabulous. For the last few months, I have struggled trying to decide what to choose. So there is a sneak peek of the November box, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what I've got. I can see I got a free product in here as well. I just love free products. Let's take a look. So the free product we got is this. So it's by Floral Street and it is Arizona Bloom, and it's a little perfume, a little sample perfume. I'm not going to spray anything yet. I've sprayed quite a lot in this room in the last 10 minutes and I don't want to be spraying anymore because I won't be able to smell it properly. But yeah, I love free little sample perfumes, so you can just see if you like the product or not before you commit to the bigger version. Right, so the first product I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Vitality. Is that the brand? I think it is. And this is a sports body massage oil. Did I choose that? I honestly can't remember choosing this. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Honestly don't know if I chose it or not, but okay. It just says based on bay and black pepper, renowned for toning and strengthening the muscles, profoundly energizing, pre-exercise boost, enlivening and stimulating. Go. I really cannot remember choosing this. That is what it looks like. Really pretty bottle with the blue glass there. I am going to leave that sealed. I don't want to open it. Yeah. Massage oil, did I don't know. That has me questioning myself now. Second product I chose is this. So of course I saw a Molten Brown product there and I had to choose it. Had to. And this is Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I love this brand. Absolutely amazing. Let's smell it. Oh yeah. She smells gorgeous. Smells absolutely gorgeous. And it's just such pretty packaging as well. Yeah. Love it. Third item I've chosen is this. It's by the brand Garnier and it is a no rinse conditioner. Apparently it's supposed to be really hydrating, and it's coconut and aloe vera. Intense nourishment for dehydrated hair. It's got no silicones for a natural feel and leaves no residue. I thought, when I looked at it, I thought something looks off about this, and it's where the cap normally is, where you open it. It's just flat. And then you open it like that. That's really, really weird. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh. So yeah, we are definitely gonna have to try that. I'm hoping it's not gonna leave my hair having that heavy feeling, but we will not know until we try it. Fourth product I have chosen is this. It is by the brand Batiste. Very affordable brand indeed, and it is a dry shampoo, plant powered dry shampoo to be precise. Instant hair refresh, 100% natural extracts, bamboo fibre and gardenia extra lift for fine hair. So today I have straightened my hair, which makes my hair quite fine. I've got fine hair but a lot, but doing this, it's not a lot of, it doesn't look a lot. My hair looks fine. So that'll be interesting to try out, just to see what that does. What magic can it do? So yeah, expect a video to come up on this and we'll give it a try. The fifth item I've chosen is this. It's by the brand Bumble and Bumble and it is Curl Defining Cream for medium to coarse hair. It just says here, rake through damp hair from roots to ends, air dry or diffuse. So yeah, we'll have to do that to see what it'll look like. I haven't necessarily got curly hair, but I have got very wavy hair when natural. And you get 30 mils in here, so it's enough to try out a few times to see if you like it. So yeah, again, expect a video to come on this. We will definitely have to give that a try. Last product for the November box I chosen was this. It is by the brand Elf, and it is a Plumping Lip Gloss. In what shade I do not know. Oh, champagne. It is in the shade champagne. So I don't know if you can see there. It's actually got little shimmer particles in it. We'll see how plumping it is. I might do a little short video here on YouTube, just doing a really quick review on it and see how plumping it is. If you've used this before, let me know, comment below what were your results. Guys, so that is my November box. What do you think? Personally, I think I did struggle a little bit this month again. I honestly cannot remember ordering that body oil. Massage oil. I don't know. It's a mystery. It really, really is. My brain is a mystery, that's for sure. But where is it? So this is my October box. So for those that are interested to see what I picked in the October box, stay tuned and we'll have a look now. I didn't even open it. I found it in a corner in my beauty room. How bad is that? So let's just quickly open it up. So yeah, there is a wee sneak peek. Right, so the first product I've chosen for the October box is this. So it is by the brand Head & Shoulders and it's Hydration Seal. It's a rinse off scalp balm. Sounds interesting, very, very interesting. And it's for a dry scalp. So every now and then I can get an irritated dry scalp. So yeah, we'll have to give that a go. It's enriched with skincare ingredients, apparently, powered by clinically proven active ingredients. Up to 72 hours locked in moisture. Use it after shampoo and conditioner to enhance hydration for up to 72 hours on scalp. Stays nourished and flake free. Second product for the October box is this. It is a brush and it's by Kent Brushes. Let's have a look. Used to gently brush and shape all hair types. Apparently perfect for smoothing and straightening. Yeah, I think again last month was a box that I struggled with and I thought, okay, we can't go wrong with a brush, and I really, really like the look of them bristles on there. So yeah, we'll have to give that a go. The third item I chose in the October box is this. It's by the brand Nutrient Hair Food, and it is Colour and Shine Mask. Enhance and prolong your colour. 99% naturally derived ingredients. Quinona. Yeah, I think I may have ordered this a few boxes ago. Again, I made a boo-boo because look what I've just found in the October box. I've ordered the same thing in the November box. Oh my god. I'm going to leave this one sealed. I know I only opened that one. I didn't touch it, but still, I'm not going to open this one. When I do a video for this product, I will do a giveaway for the second product that I have. But yeah, again, looking at it, it just looks wrong because where's it feels like it should have a cap there that you open, but yeah, it looks groovy. But yeah, I can't believe I've ordered this twice in a row. And then the fifth and sixth product I've ordered for the October box are these. So this is by the brand Nails Inc and it's Back to Life, Repair, Recuperate and Glow. So it's like is it like a base coat? I think it is like a little base coat, or you can just wear it on its own without any nail varnish on top. The other product is this. It's by Essie and it is a cuticle oil. I have loads of cuticle oil, but I thought, why not get one more? Again, I was struggling a bit on what to choose. But yeah, that is the October box. So what do you think of my October and November boxes? Comment down below. Personally, I do like what I've chosen. Obviously, I've chose it. Again, I really did struggle with my choices. I love it when you get the months where there's too much to choose from, whereas some months, unfortunately, it's been a few in a row for the last little while. I've been looking thinking I honestly don't know what to choose for like the third, fourth and fifth product. But yeah, overall I'm really happy. I'm disappointed in myself for choosing duplicate products, but hey ho, I'm only human. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.